Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist, back with another Ragdoll kitty. The last one was popular, so I thought I'd do another. So I'm just kind of feeling out where the paws need to go there. Trust my intuition on that one. Going a little more than 2.5 times the speed here and voicing over, just while I rough in Kitty's shape. Those lovely features that say cat. Always remember that less is more. Think about which lines are needed and which lines will just end up being too much information. That little muzzle with the smile in there. Slow down and tighten up a little for the features for sure. And sometimes have to make corrections, as you can see. The eraser is just as useful of a tool as the pencil. And sometimes I even draw with my eraser too, especially if I'm using a kneaded eraser. Do what works for you. Sometimes I just use the eraser to soften lines. If I think they're standing out a little bit too much for that area, I might soften them up with the eraser. I'm really aiming for unity and flow here too, to replicate my line type throughout my drawing. The eyes are the windows to the soul, as they say. Get just a hint of some ragdoll markings here. I mucked with the eye on the right hand side a little bit too much, as you'll see throughout the drawing, but you know what? All that mucking is learning. And now we're sped up to 10 times the speed and we're going to zip through the rest of this drawing. So add lines and make corrections. The slightest change in a line can totally change the expression of a drawing. And that comes with practice. Play with it. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. Just that simple patterns, the simple replication of the cat's coat pattern. I actually did muck with that eye off camera a little after too. Got it a little bit dark there. But as you can see from the picture in the YouTube thumbnail, it's a little brightened up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.